I want to personally invite you to join the free 7-day keto challenge. This program is for you if you're looking to drop a size or two before the holiday weight gain hits. If you're anything like me, in the past you've struggled over the holidays because we are just surrounded by food. After all, that's really how we celebrate together. We gather around tables laden with our favorite foods, our favorite desserts. We bake to show each other how much we care. But this holiday season, I want to show you how you can actually drop weight. Over the last 2 years, I have been working out a method where you can indulge in some of your favorite treats using the keto diet, but still lose weight over the next few months. So to kick this off, I am launching the free 7-day keto challenge that begins November 1st. But we're actually going to start a little bit before that. So I want you to click below to join now and get signed up right away.